Hey, so this is Hiker Dude Dad. I think this video needs a little explanation, a little setup here. So I am at our local ice rink, and the coolest non-hiking thing I did in the last couple weeks was help to paint the ice here as they were rebuilding it. We had to get a brand new chiller. We're probably going to have some of the best ice around, which is awesome. My guy's out there practicing now, but painting the ice was awesome. I left my GoPro here. My last two hikes I didn't have my GoPro. I have it back because I set up a time lapse here. So this is going to be that time lapse, cut with some of the painting. It was pretty awesome. The paint was thinner than you think. It kind of froze on the ice more than dried. And the whole process was awesome. There's sand with the cooling pipes under everything. So it's packed sand, and then they built the ice on that packed sand, got it to a certain thickness, painted it white, built it up a little more. Then they brought us in to do the lines. We snapped yarn down and froze yarn on the ice for the big lines. And a lot of the circles and everything were freehand, which is kind of intimidating. But, then they do another inch or so of ice on top of what they painted. So the lines out there aren't as brilliant now as they were then, just because they built up more ice. But then the video ends with my guy, we strapped the GoPro to his helmet, B-Dog, and let him skate around. Our crew, the Squirts and the Mites, were the first crew to be able to skate on the new ice, which was awesome. So a little different video than I'm used to doing, but hope you enjoy. Cheers.